Hello everyone, it's your boy rickodebest, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to install a SIM card and also a micro SD card in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So here I have the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and what I'm going to be doing, you could power off your phone, but in this video I won't power off my phone. So you want to take your SIM eject tool and you're going to insert it in the top of the phone right here. So you have to look carefully. If you have the phone facing you, it's this hole to your left, not the one to the right. The one to the right up top is the mic, so you don't want to push the pin in that hole. Also, if you take a note, you'll see that there is a cutout around the hole in which you need to push that pin. So let's open the tray, and I pop my tray open. Okay, so there's a tray. This S10 Plus is a dual SIM. You could use 2 SIM, or you could use 1 SIM and a memory card, or if you want to do the hack, to use 2 SIM and a memory card. So to insert the SIM card, you're going to take your SIM and you're going to place it right here, which is for SIM 1. And to insert the memory card, I have a 128 in this, which come inside the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus for free. I'm going to be inserting that in the tray also. And take up your tray, and you want to insert your SIM. You want to insert your micro SD card and make sure it fits properly. Once it's in, once it is in, you want to pick up your phone and just place the tray back into position, and it should be able to go in smoothly. If you have any difficulty, you need to pull it out and check it again to make sure. So everything is in at the moment. So let's double tap. Okay, so top there you could see the phone is picking up. And if I should go to my settings and go to storage, you should be able to see your memory card. So that's how you know if your memory card is actually inserted. So you're going to go to device care, and under device care you should see storage. Underneath storage, there it is. That's my 128 gigabyte. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, please give this video a like, comment below. Also remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.